Hi foodies, welcome back to MellowBites, and today we are diving into another exciting unboxing. This time it's a product I've been eagerly waiting for a long while, a must-have storage solution that's both practical and versatile. Yes, we are unboxing the 9-piece glass storage container set from HomeCenter. Let's get started. Here's the HomeCenter packaging that's sturdy and neat. Before getting inside, look at this. It's a 9-piece glass storage container set that comes in 3 different shapes and sizes, all with airtight lids. It's mentioned that the glass containers are oven safe without the lids, making them perfect for baking, and with the lids, they're ideal for refrigerator storage. Let's cut open it. As we unbox further, we notice that the set is securely packed into 3 compartments. One container nested inside another, sorted by sizes. It's a really thoughtful packing and it ensures no damage during transit. A good thoughtful process. Let's take a closer look. Look how beautifully it's cling wrapped. The lid is cling wrapped and the glassware is really clean. And in the first row had the square box and a rectangular box. Now let's open the second row. Here we go. The second row has 2 round boxes. It's beautifully packed so that the glassware that's nestled inside doesn't get scratched. They have a paper in to protect it. And the other one is also another round box. And so here we have 3 round boxes. Now let's open the third compartment. And here we have 2 rectangular boxes, one nestled inside other. And 2 square boxes, again one nestled inside other. So here they are. It's completely unpacked. The set includes 3 different shapes: rectangle, square and round, each in varying sizes and volumes. Both the glass containers and the plastic lids are wrapped in a cling film for added protection. Don't worry, it's just easy to remove. Let's take a moment to appreciate the quality. The plastic lids feel sturdy and durable with a smooth finish. The glass containers themselves have a noticeable thickness, adding to their durability. The snap lock mechanism on all 4 sides of the lid is simple, secure, most importantly, airtight, ensuring no spills or leaks. Now let's talk about 3 important advantages and amazing features of this glass storage container. This is an oven-safe glass. Yes, you can use these containers without the lid for baking. It's perfect for lasagnas, casseroles or even desserts. The second thing is its transparent design. The crystal clear glass lets you easily identify what's stored inside. Here's no more guesswork in the kitchen. And last but not the least, it has airtight lids. The snug fit keeps your food fresh, safe from insects or moisture, making them perfect for dry goods, leftovers or meal prep. Before the first use, it's recommended to wash the containers with soap and warm water. Simple and easy. The only issue I find in the storage containers, lids are neither dishwasher safe nor oven safe. It's the only inconvenience I felt like. To wrap it up, this 9-piece glass storage container set from HomeCenter combines quality, functionality and versatility. Whether it's for baking, meal prepping or organizing your pantry, this set ticks all the boxes. The durability of the glass and the secure snap lock lids make it a great investment for any kitchen. If you really love this product, you can check the link in the description box. And if you have used similar storage containers, drop your thoughts and comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and unboxing. See you in another video. Bye.